Hi, in the last lecture, I have shown you how we can implement CI/CD so that automatic deployment of our code can be done to app service. Today, I will show you how we can implement deployment slots and deploy our code to the deployment slots. Let me click on deployment slots. I will see that there is a production deployment slot already. I will create one more deployment slot called dev. Once deployed, we can integrate CI/CD using deployment center in this new deployment slot. Click on close. First, I will disconnect CI/CD from production slot so that automatic deployment should not happen to production slot. Click on deployment center, click on disconnect, delete the workflow file, click on OK. Now I will open my deployment slot. Click on deployment slots, click on dev deployment slot, open deployment center, configure the source GitHub repository as we have done last time. It is asking me to configure runtime stack. Now let me configure again the repository and branch. As you see, it has been configured. Now whenever we do any changes, those changes will be implemented only in the development slot. Let me do the changes. I have changed to version 28, commit file. Let me go back, logs. So after few minutes, the deployment has been completed. If I now open my overview, browse, you see the version number 28 is deployed on dev slot. If I open the production slot deployment version, click on overview, open this URL. Now you notice that it is the version 27 and it is the production slot URL. You see there is no any deployment slot name over here. I will go to my app service, open deployment slot. Over here you notice that both the slots are there. After my testing of the deployment to development slot, if I am satisfied with the deployment, I can click on swap slot and I will click on swap. Now after few minutes, this deployment will be done to the production from development slot. And as a backup, whatever is deployed on production will be deployed to the development slot. That is the meaning of swap. This way, in future, if there is any problem occurs in the production deployment, I can swap it again so that the previous changes which were saved in the development slot will be rolled back to the production slot. Let us wait for some time for this to complete. It is now completed. Let me check if the version has been upgraded for the production slot or not. It is my production slot web application. Let me reload this page. You see this has been upgraded to 28. If I go to development slot web deployment and refresh it, it should be 27. So I have shown you how we can utilize deployment slots for our blue-green deployment. Thank you.